ho, ho! It's nearly Christmas! Yay! I'm going to show you how to make these goodies. Ooh, lovely Pokemon baubles. Oh yeah! And also, as a little added bonus, what you can get for a Pikachu addict. Let's go! So the bauble is made of these Pokeballs. I usually find these at supermarkets and they've normally got some Pokemon cards in them and a coin. I'll open it up. Da, 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 da. All it is a little container, which is kind of cool because if you make this into a bauble, then you can pop it open and put little, I don't know, chocolate treats or whatever you fancy in there to hang on your tree as well. So it's sort of like little hidden presents in there as well. All of my family's asleep, so I've got to be quiet. But the idea is you get your drill. I've lost my drill end as well. I'm so organised today, I'm telling you. Imagine this is a drill. All you do, you find the top part of your Pokeball, and there are two options. You could either drill 2 holes at the top and thread a ribbon through, or you drill the 1 hole at the top. Here's one that's already been done. So yeah, you simply just get your drill, you put 2 little holes in, thread your ribbon through. It can get a bit tricky to thread it through. It's just a case of pulling it through, sticking it back through, and then you just tie a knot on the top and it holds up on your tree, which looks fantastic for a Christmassy Pokemon decoration. And if you was just to do the 1 hole, which is, let's face it, it's a bit quicker and easier, you'd loop both ends of the ribbon through and then you'd tie a bigger knot on the bottom so that it holds it, and then you've not got the bow over the top. Simples. Yeah. So I've got a Pikachu lover in my life. So what I've done for a little gift for him, I've collected a bunch of different Pikachu cards, as you can see here. I did quite enjoy having to try and find all of these. I bought a few singularly, but I've also had a look through my collections and pulled some out of there as well. It was kind of fun having a look through them all. I think this one's a favourite. And of course the promo to end it. I've got a little Pikachu packet to put them in. So I've glued it together and then I sellotaped at the top because it didn't work out very well, but you can't really tell. And I've got another Pikachu blister pack there, which has already got a packet of cards in, so I'm going to pop the Pikachu pack that I've just made in with it, and then, oh, if I can, there we go, and then I'm going to just seal that up so that it looks like it's not been tampered with, is my idea. And then there we have it, a nice little stocking filler for our Pikachu lover. Yay! Merry Christmas!